So guys, welcome back. I hope you are good. This time I have one more question. Okay, we have different series and it is similar to the previous one, like we are squaring and then we are dividing. Again, we are making it cube and then we are dividing. But this time we have this negative symbol, plus and then alternate. So how we will start? Let's jump to that one actually. So we will start with the making a variable like int, and this will be like taking the terms, which term we want in place of x. So it's like enter value for x, and then we will say n equals to int input enter value for small n, and then we say s equals to initially what the value we will take. So s equals to 1, and then for making for the for loop we will use it like for a small x in range we will make 1 to n, as we are doing this 1 to n. Then it will be, we will make it like s equals to s. Then what was the formula we have? So it was like we are doing it like x square as it is mentioned for the here while loop. So initially for the, like we will make it like x then power 2, so it will be like x square, this one x square x cube. So here I have to write it like a small x, that is okay, x cube all the way to, but now I have to maintain the symbol also and the division also. So with that I will put it symbol. So I will put it symbol here as we are done with this one in the video. And then for the division I will put, and I will put it like x here. Okay, let's keep it simple, and then I will simply print that one. So I will do print, and then I will put it f there, in which I can put the values in curly brackets, the variable name actually. So it says sum of series is, I will put it like that, s. Let's jump to this one, and this time if I give it like the x is 4, suppose x is 4, and I just want the two terms, so I just wanted these two terms. Okay, so it will be 1 minus 4, it becomes minus 3. Why it is 0.0? Have you identified this? Because we are dividing it, that's why it is giving it as a float. So you can apply the round function there at the end. Before this you can put it like round, and how many digits you want, you can do that one also. So let's do this one with the while loop also. Okay, let's do this one. So I will simply, in place of this for loop, I will put the while loop. So this time I have a little less homework, will we? Okay, so here I will put it like x equals to 1. Then I have to put while loop, while x is less than equals to n. Why we are doing this n? Because here it is starting from 1. Okay, that is, it will come here, but already the s is 1, which will be this one. Okay, that's why. So here we will do it, and it will be s becomes s plus, then I have to put capital X, which is our number we took, like 4 in this case, power of small x, and then it will be division by small x. Okay, that is simple. Hold on, not completed. It's x equals to, so I will put it this way, x plus equals to 1. That is it. We are doing it in this way, like it's x equals to x plus 1. Okay, let's run this one, and let's see. This time I will do 4, and then 2, it's negative, and you can check it for the next term. It will negative 3 here, so it will be 8. So let's run this one. If I give it like 4, and if I give 3 terms, it will be 5. Okay, and homework for this time is dry run for any value of x, any value of capital X and small n, but for both loops. That is the small homework you have to do. Okay. In case if you have any doubts, drop me in a comment section and I will be happy to resolve the doubts. Okay. Keep learning, keep coding. Have a great day.